Virtual Gym has 24 waveforms. These waveforms target 24 layers of the body, all the way from visceral fat to skin. So you have 9 waveforms for visceral fat up to here. You have 9 waveforms for deeper muscle, 6 waveforms for subcutaneous fat, 6 waveforms for superficial muscle, I have 9 waveforms also for skin tightening, lymphatic drainage, and cellular.
It involves very low proprietary energies at which it has been mathematically proven since 2008 that the ion channels of the cells open up and allow ions as well as signals, which is what our technology is all about, to enter the cells. Age reversal process that happens with this technology that we have not seen with anything else in the world. Almost 18 years of research that can bring us to the latest invention of this technology that is really unique in this world. There has been a lot of research that has shown that when aging occurs, communications between cells are significantly diminished, and there is a lot of experimental laboratory evidence on that. So what we do, we revive these communications, and by reviving these communications, of course, you are prolonging that process a lot more. We're not going to go back to being 10 years old, but not yet. But you do prolong that process, so you stay younger much longer, and you also look younger. You look fresher, you look healthier, and that is the most important thing. We also have seen pain relief, mobility increase, wounds, pigmentation, and reinstates the signaling pathways that will reinstate that younger, fresher look that is natural. You know, people look without wrinkles, but you still know their age. Here, you don't know their age. You see, and that is the important thing. They're fresher, they look younger, and naturally younger.